Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Sleep polysomnography. So the sleep polysomnography is a test tool for evaluating of the sleep disordered breathing. So it is associated with the sleep disordered breathing. So what is it associated with? The sleep disordered breathing. And such disorders, what does it include? So there is OSA. OSA stands for the obstructive sleep apnea, and also the chain stocks breathing. So it is CS breathing. So we are calling it as CS breathing, the chain stocks breathing or respiration. Next, we have the CSA. CSA stands for the central sleep apnea. Central sleep apnea, and this is plus or minus the chain stocks breathing, chain stocks respiration. Then comes the sleep related hypoventilation. So there is a sleep related hypoventilation. Now let's look at the psychological monitoring during the polysomnography. So what is the psychological monitoring? So psychological monitoring of the polysomnography. So this includes, there is EEG. So we will just write the short forms. EEG stands for the electroencephalography. Then is the EMG. EMG stands for the chin electromyography. Then comes the EOG. EOG is the electrooculography. Then the ECG, electrocardiography. Then is the measures of the airflow. So you measure the airflow. Then comes the measuring of the respiratory effort. So you measure the respiratory effort is measured. Then comes, we look at the pulse. Next is the pulse. So we look for the pulse oximetry. So there is a pulse oximetry, and there is also the lymph electromyography. So there is a lymph electromyography. Then comes the snore volume. Next is we look at the snore volume as well as the body position monitor. So body position and its monitor plus monitor. So let's look at a description of the EEG, EOG and the EMG. So let's look at the EEG first, and we are following the parameters of active state. Next will be the REM sleep. Third will be the NREM sleep. So let's break it down. First is the EEG. So in terms of EEG, this is fast. So active sleep is fast. Then looking at the REM sleep, it is mixed. So the EEG is fast, the REM sleep is mixed, then the NREM sleep is slow. Next we look at the EOG. So EOG means the active state is plus, then the REM sleep is plus, and now the NREM sleep is negative. Next we move on to the EMG. EMG means the active state is plus, the NREM sleep is plus, and the REM sleep is negative. So EMG means the REM sleep is negative. EOG means the only negative is the NREM sleep. So N and O. So this becomes no. So in NREM sleep there is no EOG. There is in NREM sleep the EOG is negative. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.